Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of my new Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. I've always wanted to try a tablet and I've always liked the looks of the Tab S7 since it first came out, so I thought it's a good time to try one. I ordered this on Samsung Malaysia's website on Monday the 21st of December and I got it today, the 23rd of December, which is a Wednesday. So it only took 2 business days to arrive, which is actually quite fast. And yeah, I went with a tab over an iPad because in Malaysia at least, Samsung is including a free book cover inside the box itself, and also Samsung is running a promotion at the moment where they give a free pair of Buds Live with every S7 and S7 Plus purchase, which I think is actually quite good value. So yeah, let's go inside the package. I have a penknife right here. Okay, so here is the box. Let's get inside of it. Have the Buds Live and the Tab S7 right here. Okay, so let's get the bubble wrap off. Here we go, the Buds Live. Let's put that aside. Put the bubble wrap aside. Okay, so that's the box. On the front, it says Samsung. Front and back pictures of the Tab S7 itself. In the middle, Tab S7. On the bottom, nothing except the e-warranty sticker. On the right, just a side profile of the device. Nothing on top. And on the left, it says Samsung Galaxy Tab S7, the color, the capacity, and whatnot. Nothing on the back as well. But we do have 2 tabs to cut open. Okay, so let's take the top off. And right on top, we have the book cover. Nothing else inside here. Here we have the book cover in a protective plastic. Sorry, that was upside down. It says Samsung. Let's take it out. It is 2-piece. This goes to the back. There is a flap for the S Pen itself, and the S Pen goes in here. Cut out for the dual camera setup. The keyboard with a trackpad. Just a sticker. And right here we have the tab itself. It says Samsung. Put this aside. Here we have the S Pen. Here we have the charger. It is a 3-pin plug with a USB-A port. Here we have the USB-A to USB-C cable. I'm not gonna take this out because I'm not gonna use it. And right here, we have a packet that says Samsung. At the back, we have the SIM ejection tool, or rather in this case, I believe this is for the SD card slot, since this is not the LTE version. And inside we have quick start guide, warranty card, another warranty card. Right, this is for the book cover, and I have no idea what this says, but I guess it's another quick start guide. Okay, so let's take it out of its protective cover. And there you go, the Tab S7. Let's also do a quick first boot up. I believe, yep. Right. Let's go. It's asking me for the language, English United Kingdom. Okay. Okay. Next. Choose a Wi-Fi network. Let me enter the password and get back to you. Okay, so I've already entered the Wi-Fi password. Copy apps and data. Don't copy. Sign in with my Google account. I'll be right back. Okay. See what's trending with Google Assistant. Next. Google Services. Don't back up. Use location, allow scanning. Okay, the rest is fine. Accept. Oh, right. I will use fingerprint. Okay, continue. Let me just enter a PIN for now. Okay, so I've just entered the PIN. Let's do the fingerprint. Should be the same button as the power button. Okay, I kind of feel at doing this. Okay, let's just try another one, just for the heck of it. This time I'll use my right finger. Okay, next for now. Don't download the app. Adding the finishing touches. Sign into my Samsung account. I'll be back. Okay, so I've entered my Samsung account details. Now it says all done. Let me click finish. And there we go. It has all been set up. Obviously we can use it in landscape mode as well. Okay, so this is the bottom and it should attach like that. Very easy. And just close it. I believe the back should just attach like that. Again, very easy. Okay, and the pen should just go in like that, and I'm all set. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 in Mystic Black. Thanks for watching and goodbye.